Exclusive, Warner Bros. Has purchased the feature film rights to read King's upcoming dystopian novel FKA USA in a seven-figure deal. The novel is being published by Amy Einhorn of Flatiron Books, a division of Macmillan, in June of 2019. FKA USA imagines a United States where, in the wake of environmental disasters and the catastrophic policies of its final president, the 50 states have seceded and given way to a series of lawless territories. The story centers on four characters: a factory worker in Crunchtown 407, formerly Little Rock, Arkansas, a talking goat, an android who wants to be human, and a former convict lobotomized in Texas, who are unexpectedly entrusted with a sensitive political mission on which the fate of the world may just depend. The sci-fi novel is described as being reminiscent of A Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, The Wizard of Oz, and Ready Player One. Andrew Lazar, American Sniper, of Mad Chance is producing, alongside Glasstown Entertainment.
Peter Dodd, VP of Creative Development at Warner Bros., brought the book into the studio. King is repped by Uta, Jamie Feldman, and InkWell Management.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.